Hello everyone, welcome to another simple and amazing worksheet for toddlers. This is Count the Fruits activity, where we are going to make a big tree and put fruits on it, and you have to count the number of fruits and write it in the box. We are going to use colored chart papers to make the tree and the fruits, and then we are going to stick the fruits on the tree one by one. So let's first finish the activity. My cutie pie is helping me to do it. She loves sitting with me and making all these activities and then playing with it. So here I am, I'm sticking the fruits on the tree. The worksheet is ready. It hardly took 15 to 20 minutes to make this. Now let's count it. How many apples are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 apples. How many mangoes are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 mangoes. And how many oranges are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7. One more is there?
7.
Yes, you have 7 oranges. So this is our Count the Fruits activity. Okay. Do check our channel for more such interesting activities for toddlers. We do a lot of activities at home. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such activities. Bye-bye.